Hi everybody and welcome to the Maria Goretti Corner, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite salads. Today I'm going to make you a salad that has rocket leaves, strawberries, orange, it has caramelized walnut, and of course it has a very basic balsamic and an olive oil emulsion. So that's how simple this is. Let's start first with caramel. So to make a caramel, you're going to need 100 grams of normal granulated sugar. Put it into a non-stick pan and on a medium flame, just leave it be. You have to see that you do not mess with it too much, as in do not put any spatula inside and try and stir it. You've got to let it melt and let it completely melt, and when that is done, if it has the required color that you like, then you just use it that way. Now I'm going to use some walnuts in this salad, so I'm going to kind of grind it down a bit, very coarsely, because you want it to be chunky. Yeah, this is it. So what you need to make this nice caramelized walnut is you need to have like a sheet of foil. On that sheet of foil, you need to put a little olive oil and just smear it. You do this so that it does not get stuck to the base, and then it all just comes out very easily. And then you put the walnuts here. Okay, so I'm going to be using Malta orange. The reason I use this is because it is easier to cut and make into really nice wedges and use into the salad. And this is how it's done. And I love the taste of orange in a salad. It is so nice. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just trying to melt all the sugar very evenly. It takes about 5 minutes on a really low flame. Not more than that. Our caramel is ready. This flame goes off and you just pour the caramel all over your walnut. Okay, just see that it seeps in everywhere as much as you can, and this is how you get caramelized walnut. So once you have neatly cut away the peel from the orange, just see that there are no white bits remaining, and then with a nice really sharp knife you cut away the wedges, so you get really beautiful wedges of the orange. So we have our wedges in place. I also have some strawberries since they're in season. So for our salad we need about 4 handfuls of rocket leaves. I really like using rocket in my salad because it's a beautiful, thin, crisp and slightly bitter leaf. So when you add fruits to it, it just tastes absolutely right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little emulsification of the balsamic vinegar, and you need extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to emulsify this. This needs to be really done fantastically well. Basically, what's an emulsion? An emulsion is when you mix two liquids that don't normally mix. So this is really well emulsified. As you see, it has changed in color and texture, and the taste is really nice. So now what we're going to do is we are going to pour the balsamic vinegar onto the salad leaves, and then I have this little mallet, so I'm going to just basically break my caramel down. So this is how basically we also make chicky. Now with your hands, just very lightly, just toss the salad leaves with the balsamic and extra virgin olive oil emulsification. Then you can take some strawberries, add it to it. Here it is, strawberries. You add a few wedges of orange, and again just give it a little lift so that it does not weigh down with. And then you take your beaten up caramel pieces and you just sprinkle it onto this, and here we have a beautiful salad that I'm sure you want to make for someone you love. I think it needs a few more strawberries and some few more strawberries on the side. I think it needs all strawberries, it needs lots of strawberries. It's such a romantic salad. So this is basically a really beautiful salad that I think you should make for somebody you love. That's somebody special. And it does not have to be your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband or your wife. It can also be your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, your aunt, your uncle, your son or your daughter. Basically, it is just a love-filled salad with lots of love from me to you. And if you like what we showed you today, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to the Maria Goretti Corner, because here is where we make magical things.